Are we ready to roll?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, just like that? Oh my god. Boy, does Melissa get things done quick and snappy when alcohol is the next thing on the to-do list.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Hooter Kitchen. I'm Melissa.
And I'm not.
And as Matthew may have mentioned, we are getting alcohol poisoning today. I know how much you guys love that. So
I might especially be getting it because I've been really doing the healthy thing of
I didn't know where you were going with this.
Well, I was gonna say dieting, but the diet is just not eating. So I haven't eaten, and I'm on a hunger strike.
We don't condone that behavior.
No, I'm just on a personal hunger strike with myself. I'm striking against my own. I'm protesting my own lack of. I honestly, I can't think of one damn thing to protest about myself. I have to brainstorm a bit to let you know.
He needs a shot.
Yeah.
To figure it out, and
I'm protesting my sobriety.
You're probably wondering, wow, what is the alcohol poisoning that we are getting today?
And it's even more inappropriate than you could imagine.
It's a purple Hooter shot.
Do you know where they came up with that name? Is it from Hooters, that scandalous bar that's so degrading to women?
No, I have no idea. I know that this was a very popular shot back when our moms were out partying. Because I know my mom used to take this shot when she was partying. I had a friend who's the one that told me about it who said this was her mom's
Kim
favorite.
was really out and about. Something tells me Lorraine was not taking purple Hooter shots.
I hate that for her.
I think Lorraine was drinking Dom Perignon out of Tiffany flutes.
I don't think she was drinking.
True.
This was a popular drink back in the day. So how people order a green tea shot.
So basically, Kim and Lorraine, she's calling you guys old. It smells like.
I mean, you'll have
it's
that.
It's very ageist in here right now.
You'll have that. So, what a purple Hooter is, again, I don't know where the name.
Oh my god, and you're wearing purple eyeshadow. They're on theme. Wow. That one thing about Melissa is when there's a theme, she'll commit to it. Actually, just kidding, that's more like me. But
here I am committed.
Yeah, you don't see any purple eyeshadow.
So what you will need to make a purple Hooter shot, very, very plain and simple. Some vodka, triple sec, Chambord, which you know we just made a lovely champagne cocktail with Chambord that you're probably chugging right this second, so we know you already have this.
Wait, the other one wasn't made with Chambord too, was it?
No.
Okay, we're really on a Chambord kick, so I had to make sure.
And lime. Now, you can add simple syrup to this if you really like it sweet, but to be honest, because of the Chambord and the triple sec, it's already pretty sweet on its own.
It's enough.
So we're just going to do without.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to jump right in.
Oh my god, that was a little treacherous there.
Did you think that I was cutting off my hand?
It sure did.
So I'm going to give you guys the measurement for just one singular shot. And then obviously,
in case you're drinking alone.
And obviously you would up it from there. So, we're going to need.
I love when you think of me. She's not normally a big vodka drinker, but that's my speed. It's very skinny.
1 ounce of vodka. 1 ounce of triple sec. And triple sec is an orange liqueur for those of you who are not familiar.
I wasn't quite sure if you recall in a previous film. I did ask, are all triple secs orange, or is that a variation?
And it's meant to sweeten a drink. It should always be in a margarita, things like that.
Hence why we're not adding a simple syrup, because there's already enough sweetness
between that and Chambord, it's plenty sweet.
Right, and with how sweet we are, it just would have been too much sweetness going on.
So we're going to do a
Melissa's
little.
Just talking right over me. It's like I'm not even here.
We're going to do a little less than 1 ounce. It's
0.75.
Yeah, 0.75 Chambord.
Oh, it smells good. I love the aroma of that Chambord.
Mm-hmm.
I wish you all had smell-o-vision at home, but since you don't, you'll just have to go out and buy it and make this drink.
Yep. And now if you have lime juice, like you already bought squeezed lime juice, it would probably be 1 ounce lime juice, but we're just squeezing 1/2. It might be a little more, a little less. That's sort of.
You see why I back up? Because she sprays.
Now, this measurement might, depending on your shot glass, might be just a little large. But this is just the closest to 1 serving of the shot we can get. So.
Normally, I try to look more amused, but I can't wait, any longer, so.
You're going to go ahead and pour it into your shot glass.
So is that the color?
Yep.
So
it's more of a pink, but...
It's more of a blush, Dusty Rose.
Yeah, unfortunately, I did not make up the name of this shot.
Yeah,
it was already
it's
created.
not Dusty Rose Hooter.
If you want it to be more purpley, you could probably add a little more Chambord, but like we said, that's very sweet. That's maybe be too sweet. So this is a perfect amount. We're right to the brim of 1 shot. I would say this
I would venture to say this is a large shot glass.
Yeah, this is like a little over 2 ounces, which is what a standard shot glass should be, but, these days, they skinny, shorter.
These days, yeah, they start kids out with such smaller shot glasses.
They don't want you to turn into us.
Well, I have to say, these look, even though they're not quite purple as I was expecting, I'm loving the look and the aroma of our Dusty Rose Hooter. Cheers. That's definitely not a normal size shot glass.
It's a 2 ouncer.
Well, you were rambling about how this is a normal size.
Well, a standard drink is 2 ounces, so obviously...
I think a standard shot is maybe half that. This is only like the 2nd or 3rd shot I've ever taken in my life. It was just a little much to drink at once. Like, it kind of felt like something I wanted to sip, because it also was so delicious as well.
Yeah. Just so you know, it is very good. We didn't mention that.
Yeah, we didn't mention, because we were arguing about the...
And you know something else? Your fave is so atrocious that she takes shots of Baker's Club. What is that, Baker's Club? The bear. What's the worst one? Vladimir. Your fave takes shots of Vladimir.
Never heard of it.
It's bad. It's
I only
like
know Vladimir Putin. I don't know him personally, but we might want to bleep that part out. I don't want Russia coming for me, even though I am one of their kinfolk.
And on that note, make sure you subscribe.
Yes, all of our Americans and Russians alike, all around the globe. We love you all.
Real hot girl shit.